here we are in all of its glory. 1968 Swiss 6 with Merc 50 on it. Engine's hashed. That's fine. I have a 70 from another boat to go on it, and I think that'll work just fine. No interior. Anybody who wants that motor, come get it. Good parts. I'm keeping all the trim tilt. I just dumping the motor. Floors need to be replaced. Underbellies are rotten, so we'll cut all that fiberglass out. Windshield, of course, all busted up. That's pretty normal. So we'll melt ourselves a new one out of some new plexi. Has a registration number and matches the trailer, which is interesting. I don't know if this was the original trailer, but it is a trailer in pretty decent shape. And there we have it. We are gonna get stuck in this month. It's gonna be a fun one. Come join us on the channel and see where this project ends up. And it's not to mention that it's the same color I want to paint the truck. Rusty is not going to be the truck's color forever.